Okay, so after you finish collecting your data, and this data is wrong by the way, okay, I just put in a bunch of numbers so I could show you how to make a chart. So don't use this data, use the actual data you collected. And then you need to you need to make a chart of your data or a graph. And there will be a little link here where it says watch this video clip. The link isn't there now because I'm making the video clip, but when you get to your lab, there will be a link here to this video clip, and it's going to show you how to take this data and make it into a chart. And so you're going to go after number 6, hit enter, and then hit backspace to get rid of the 7, and then you're going to click insert chart, and we want a line. And so it's going to insert a template for you, and we have to change the template. So you're going to click on the graph, and then you click the little link to the chart options, and we want to open source. So we'll open the source, and then it opens a Google Sheet, a template. And it already has a graph for you here, and it has some data. So we need to delete that. So just move the graph over to the side so that you can see the data table. All right, it's not moving. Move to the side, thank you. Okay, and then we want to get rid of this data. So just highlight it and then delete. And we want to shift left. Okay, so it's gone. Okay, that was not what we wanted to do. So how do we do that? We highlight, and is there a clear? I don't know how to do it. Just hit backspace. It doesn't work either. So highlight it all and hit delete. That clears it out. Okay. Okay. So you want to clear that out. And then what you want to do is go back to your data table, and you want to highlight your data. Okay, and then copy that. Copy. And then go up here and paste that. And so now our data gets put in, and then it automatically fills it into the chart, but it's wrong. And that's because this chart isn't, and you need to tell it what the data is. So you double click on the chart, and it opens up the chart editor. And so the easiest thing to do is to just delete all of these. Just remove the x-axis data, right? And then where it says data range, we want to change that. So we're going to go here. You're going to get rid of that. And then the range that we want is from right here, what we call B2, right? B2, all the way across to E, and then all the way down to 11, right? Because that's our data. We don't want to include the day because that's going to be our x-axis. But so highlight the B through E and all the way down to 11, click OK, and then you should see that now we have our 4 lines. And then we do want to put in the x-axis, so click on that. And then again, it lets you select the range. So we want to use the day as our x-axis. That's on the bottom. So highlight that, click OK, and there it is right there. Okay, and so here's our graph. And then the only thing we need to do is we need to customize it a little bit, right? Under titles, right? So we want to give a different title. And the horizontal axis, that's the one on the bottom, that of course is time in days. And then the vertical axis, that's the one that goes up and down, that is the population size, and the units was cells per milliliter. So we put that in, cells per milliliter. And then the title of the chart, right? And the way that we title charts is we take the name of the vertical axis and we put versus the x-axis. Ooh, I messed up the x-axis. I forgot a little parentheses. There we go. And so, as I was saying, that the title of a chart should always be the y-axis, population size, versus the x-axis, which is time. Just like that. And there we go. There's our beautiful chart. And so now you click on that, and where is it? Where's copy? There's no copy? Why is there no copy? All right, do Control-C to copy it. Then go back over here. Now get rid of that template and do paste, Control-V. And yes, we want to keep the link to the spreadsheet. So click paste, and there is your chart. Okay, here's one from before. Let me get rid of that, right? And there you go. There's your chart. And now you can use that chart to answer the rest of the lab questions, and then go ahead and get that turned in through Schoology, the same way we've been turning in things all year. If you have any questions at all, send me a message through Schoology, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. And I hope you learned some good stuff. All right, take care then. Bye-bye now.